The Work Permit module by SHEQ Network will transform the way you manage your work permits today. There are many different challenges around managing work permits. This includes getting the real-time status of all the work permits at any one point in time, managing many different types of permits such as hot work, confined space entry, working at height, coordinating with different relevant parties across the organisation, including contractors, getting appropriate reports and alerts on time, and of course managing the records, which is very difficult using paper-based systems. The work permit module has a very intuitive navigation system. You can go from the configuration section through to adding work permits through to running reports. The interactive dashboard shows you all the critical information at a glance, and you can click through the different charts to see the underlying information. You can see which permits are in draft stage, which have been sent for approval, how many have been approved, which permits have been completed and which ones are closed on the system. You can also see which colleagues are maybe delaying the approval process. The information entered into the work permit is entered in a flowing logical sequence. For example, where will the work happen, when will it happen, what's going to be done and who's going to be involved. You can specify the start and end times and of course manage permit extensions as well. The real benefit of the system is that you can configure as many different sub-permit types as you wish. You simply configure in the different questions that are relevant for each of these sub-permits. Permits are saved, and then when all the appropriate information is ready, you can send the permit for approval or authorization. These requests can then be accepted or rejected by relevant persons. There's a customizable approval workflow built into the system, and you can configure this according to your own site requirements and to the different types of permits. The beauty of the work permit system is that it can link to the MAI contractor portal. In this case, as you assign permits to contractors, you're able to tell in real time if the particular employee is on the system and if information about the contractor company, for example, insurances and certificates, are up to date, as well as training records for the employee. Work permits can be extended by permit authorizers following an approval process as well. There's many different types of reports and you can enter different search criteria and the matching results will be displayed on the screen. And you can also, of course, print off different work permits as well on the system. You can email them to relevant persons. We can also, within the system, generate different alerts and reminders to ensure that the work permit process runs properly. You can be alerted, for example, if permits haven't been approved on time or if there are running over time in certain areas. We can run the system in different languages. The benefits of the work permit module is that you get real-time information where you need it. As you create permits, you will also be advised of any other potential work in the area that may be conflicting. It adopts best practice for your work permit activities. It's highly configurable and you can link it to the MAI contractor portal. It simplifies and integrates the whole work permit processes for you. And it also generates lots of reports and alerts. Please also check out other tools we have in terms of managing contractors, which include the online induction training and the contractor portal itself. You can use the QR code to contact us to book a consultation and just for a general discussion to find out more. Thank you for taking the time to come and contact us. On the screen here you see an email, our website, and of course use the QR code to schedule a call. We'd be delighted to talk to you. Thank you.